As people prepare to travel for the holidays, the White House is urging people to get tested before hitting the road. The COVID-19 response team says tests are crucial in the fight against the virus, but at-home tests are hard to come by and they're expensive. Spectrum Bay News 9's Samantha-Jo has details on how the Biden administration aims to reduce those costs in the new year.
Okay, tilt your head back a little for me. Perfect. I'm going to swab for about 5 seconds.
With the holidays approaching, this pharmacy in Washington hears the question more frequently now. Do you test for COVID?
All right, my dear, and you made it. Yeah, we're definitely seeing more people, like I said, want to do those last-minute walk-ups to try to get tested before the holidays, which I'm glad to see. We test every 5 minutes. I mean, we've done as many as 100+ tests in a day.
Public health experts have long said easy access to affordable COVID tests is an important tool to limit the spread of the coronavirus. And with a highly transmissible Omicron variant now taking hold in the U.S., they say COVID testing is even more essential. But good luck finding an at-home rapid antigen test.
Rapid tests, those that are done within 20 or 30 minutes in your home, are in very short, if not completely out of stock supply.
Jason Feldman is the CEO of Vault Health, which sells at-home COVID test kits. He says testing capacity in the U.S. has been limited by supply chain disruptions, mixed messaging from the federal government, and a lack of early investment in testing.
When we got through the last year's holiday season into the first part of this year, and the CDC said, take off your masks in about middle May, everybody just sort of gave up worrying about testing. And so the supply chain started to diminish. And then Delta hit.
It's not just that these tests are hard to find. They also aren't cheap. Tests like these can cost between $20 and $100 each. And that can really add up when you're purchasing for a family.
It's not something that you're going to do a couple times a week just because. And that might be more of a decision that you'd make if the tests were under $5.
The Biden administration will roll out a plan early next year that would require private insurers to provide reimbursements for the cost of at-home testing kits. But many say the reimbursement process creates a burden for people getting tested.
It could be a barrier for people actually getting reimbursed for those tests. And so if they don't think they're going to get reimbursed for those tests or reimbursed in a timely way, then they are not going to take those tests.
And I'm going to swab for about 5 seconds in each nostril there, okay?
However you test, experts say it's crucial to get one before spending time with others this holiday season, even if you're fully vaccinated.
We always say just better safe than sorry. You need to get a test. You think you want to get a test. It's always better just to get tested to have that peace of mind.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a Merry Christmas.
In Washington, Samantha-Jo, Spectrum.